Thursday, opposition activists and sympathizers of the KCCA Lord Mayor announced they will start holding a series of rallies this coming week to discuss the KCCA tribunal report that found the Lord Mayor guilty of abuse of office, misconduct and incompetence. The Lord Mayor urged supporters to stand up and fight for their rights in response to the report's recommendation.
People have the power, they are there, it's time to use the power.
This insult of institutions shall not be accepted, and we are going to rise up with all means possible.
There is only two options for you Ugandans. Either you go to exile or you stand up and fight for your rights.
If they have not followed the procedures as stipulated in this law, they are not going to have any political meeting or rallies in Kampala.
The commander also stressed that gatherings should be regulated in order to avoid terrorists from taking advantage of the crowds to wreak havoc.
Gathering people together in places which are concentrated in this era of terrorism is a high risk, and we don't want them to really put people into such high-risk ventures.
But the opposition members have downplayed the police warnings, arguing that they already notified them and will proceed with their plans this Monday.
We haven't received their communication, but even if they communicate to the effect that they are not allowing the public meeting, we shall go ahead with the public meeting because the law requires us just to notify police, but they are not supposed to clear us for any meeting.
Yesterday, the police blocked some opposition members and activists from accessing the inter-party coalition offices in Kampala and other areas where they were going to hold meetings.
If I hold a meeting in my house, in my compound, I don't have to notify you, Mr. Weza. I can't read the law.
Police also deployed heavily at Chiseka Market, where they expected riots to break out. Suhail Mugabi, NTV, Weekend Edition.